we had 6/10 of an inch of rain last night. Serious thunderstorm. There was some hail in it too, although I didn't hear it tinging here. WRAL said it was in our location. Anyway, we can't see out any of the windows this morning. They're all just covered with moisture. Here's Morris. I went out the door and I wiped the outside of the door because I couldn't stand not being able to see out. And they need to be cleaned anyway from little kitty. Kitty noses. Hi. You coming up to see me? You coming up? Come on, Morris. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go up here. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. It's tense, right?
It's tense, yeah.
All right, you can empty it.
Yeah, well, we got enough rain that we don't have to water anything.
Yeah. Don, if you didn't hear him, he said we got enough rain. We don't have to water this morning. He's excited. But he's been over and taking care of the deer.
Right.
So what's the deal on the block?
I don't know how long it's going to last.
Did they eat a bunch of it?
Well, it's hard to say if they ate a lot or the water.
The rain.
So I guess it kind of dissolves it a little bit. I don't know. We'll have to play it by ear.
They were eating on it last night. I got video of them eating on it. I also got video of one of them going up in the air big time. Fighting again. Yeah, see, that's what the back door looked like before I wiped it. I'm fixing to wipe this one too. I see a Hummer down there. I added 2 trellises and 2 plant pots down by the bird bath yesterday afternoon when we got home. I haven't put any water in, and it looks like it's still got plenty of water. So that's good. All right, here's Sunday morning breakfast.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Bacon and fresh bacon.
Fresh bacon.
Lots of bacon.
That's a bacon.
I cleaned it. I had to get out all of this extra paraphernalia to get up there. Anybody else need a fan cleaned right now? Because I got it all out. That's the worst part.
Yeah, well, I was wrong.
What's that?
I gave all my oil and stuff away to JB because I don't need any of that oil or anything. And guess what I'm doing right now? I'm checking the oil in the fan.
So if it's low, you don't have what you need to fix it?
That's correct.
After we took it apart?
After we took it apart.
Oh, I'm not happy.
Yeah, well, I'm going to check the oil in there for you. There's a little oil place in here. You check the oil. Do a pipe cleaner that 1/2 inches long.
Don said technically he needs the light off, so let me turn the light off for you. He said that the light was too blinding.
Yeah, but I shined it. Anyway, the little notch right here is where you check the oil.
Yeah.
It said take a 1/2 inch. And bend the pipe cleaner.
Okay. So is it low or not?
It's low. And you put it down. It's only 30. How many years? I said, how many years old was this thing? 35
That's what we were saying.
Yeah. Well, there's a little notch there. And you put your pipe cleaner down in there.
Yeah.
And then you come back up. And it's supposed to have
oil on it.
Little oil on it. If it doesn't have oil on it, it means it's a little low.
It's low.
But that's the proper level. It should just touch it.
Okay, well, I wanted to go play Pogo anyway, so I guess we go to Home Depot and get the oil you need.
Nah, we'll probably just order from Amazon. So now I'm going to make it about 1 inch or so, and we're going to see.
There's still any oil left?
Any oil in there at all. I mean, it's only been up there 35 years. Yes, there's a little oil in it.
Little oil, but so not much.
So we need a 1/2 inch of oil. See, this cup right here is full of oil. And the bearing is sitting totally immersed in the oil. And that's why these...
So how are you going to get the oil in there?
There's a little hole at the top.
Uh-huh. The very top?
At the very top.
So we won't have to take the lampshade off again.
That's right, but you got to be careful. You got to check the oil. I'm sorry. You got to check the oil as you fill it up. If it's empty, totally empty, like you take it down and clean it out and empty it, then it basically takes a tube of oil.
So you're telling me that the shade's going to have to come off again? Well, anyway, it's clean.
That's right.
Cleaner. You know what this means?
Holes in the wall.
It means we're putting up a matching shelf on the other side.
Of course we are, yes.
Yes, we're going from this to, I finally found one that is close enough.
optimally, I would have found 2 the first time around or not cared about a second one, but neither one of those worked out. So, but hey, you've got inside honeydews today.
That's right.
You're not outside where it's bad enough walking to the garage.
Bad out there.
Yeah.
Well, there it is. I got the shelf up there. This one actually wasn't bad. Of course, it's like my 5th or 6th one, so I've gotten pretty good at it. The problem is that's 24-inch shelf, and it's 28 inches. And this over here is 32 inches. So that's why the gap. But I did get them at the same height. And I think I got it level. And I put my pin here to hold it so that if you bump the shelf, it won't pop up and spill all her things off. JB showed me that trick. But it's actually held in with screws. But of course the screws are fitted into slots, and if you bump it, it's likely to pop up, move out of that slot, the screw head out of that slot, and it'd fall. So that little pin there or nail is enough to keep it from just unless you really hit it hard enough, it'll move. But anyway, I think she'll be happy. I'm sure I'll have a lot of company now as I shave and brush my teeth every day.
Alrighty, it's not raining yet. Let's go for a drive and robot on 14.3.5.
Sounds good.
So Dawn engaged FSD without putting in a destination in it, and it has been telling us for a few releases now that you know, you don't have a destination, just driving without a destination.
That's right.
Which is good, because in Ruby I frequently engage FSD because I know where I'm going without telling her where we're going. And that can be problematic, because then she get down here to the end of Wagstaff and turn to the right instead of the left, for example. So I like that addition.
Yeah, well, plus once it gets all situated, usually by the time we get down to the driveway, I can tap something else to navigate to.
Yep, I completed the route, and we admired the clouds over Ball Field 3.
I think it's going to rain.
It's not outside the realm of possibility. Oh my goodness, they painted the cupboard purple. And magenta and not green. That's weird with the BP. You know, the green just matched the BP stuff. Maybe they're not going to stay BP.
Well, BP is not in the U.S. They've changed the name. BP is no more.
So what is that gas station now? They just got leftover awning from when they used to have BP tanks or something?
Right, that's correct.
Huh.
Yeah, BP went like crazy green energy type stuff, so they got out of it. So nope, they're not interested. So they're selling some kind of independent gas now, I assume.
Okay. Well, those were different colors for over there. I don't even know what to think about that for a convenience store.
Yeah, well, I don't worry about it since I don't buy gas.
Right. We only go over there twice a year to buy a lottery ticket.
Well, you haven't? That's the
only thing we've bought from them in the last, yeah. Well, we used to when we had a gas-powered lawnmower.
Yes.
You would go up there to get gas for the lawnmower.
From time to time.
And we still had a gas car then, but we didn't fill up there. That wasn't the place to fill up, but it was fine for a 5-gallon, lawnmower gas that you had to cart in the car with you. But
it's like it was. Seems like every time I was turning around, it was going to cut the grass, I had to go get gas first. It's just like, when you're having a gas car and you're running late or it's raining, that's when you need to stop and buy gas. Right.
Yeah, running out of the battery and having to go get a new one is nowhere near as bad as spilling gas over the hot muffler on the lawnmower.
Just getting on your hands and
smell it for the rest of forever. Yeah, I don't miss that at all.
No, I don't.
No, I do have to have you come bring me a battery at the end of the driveway because I'm plumb wore out at that point, and I could really use. It's either bring me a battery or I'm not finishing down there. So I appreciate the battery delivery, but I never am frustrated up near the house when I just go, you do have to have more than one.
Right.
You need to have 2.
Yeah.
2 7.5 amp hour egos to make your lawnmower and your blower workable for a acre or 2 yard kind of a thing. Because by the time I'm done with one, the other one can be recharged back up on the fast charger. Pretty close. Close enough.
Yeah.
So.
You gonna help? Hi. So I'm gonna work on my building, and again, because of tan tiles, I can't proceed with the second level or the third level, so I'm going to build the triangle floor one more time with the minor changes for the roof, and then there's a garden that gets built up there. And I should have all the parts I need for that. So I got the floor, the roof done. It's ready for me to start putting the walkway and flowers and the decorations. If I was just making the roof would be done, but there are a couple of things, flowers and pathways and all kinds of cool stuff up top. So I'm going to say I'm a third of the way to half of the way through with this level. And I'll pick back up here tomorrow because I'm not expecting those tiles to be here tomorrow. That's too quick from where they're coming from. Idaho. Some of them are coming from Idaho. Dinner is a New York strip steak with some Vidalia onions and butter on top. Yum.